Hello, welcome to maths class. In the last class you have learned some terms related to statistics, and today you are going to learn how to find the mean and median of the ungrouped data. Okay, let us have mean. Finding mean for the ungrouped data is just like average. In your previous class, since your class 5 or 6, you used to find the average of the given numbers. Same way, finding mean is nothing but average. The mean of n observations is sum of observations divided by number of observations. If there are n observations, sum of n observations divided by number of observations, that is n, gives you the mean of the data. Okay, the mean of n observations is the sum of n observations divided by n. N is number of observations, because here number of observations is n. Okay, so formula for for finding mean is sum of observations. Now I am not writing n observations here, divided by number of observations. If there are 10 observations, sum of 10 observations divided by 10 gives you the mean. And we can write sigma sum of observations, sigma x by number of observations is f or n. Sorry, we can write number of observations as n. Okay, sum of xi also we can write all the observations. So sum of observations or variates or terms, whatever we say, divided by number of observations or number of terms of number of variates gives you the mean of the given data. So this is how to find the mean for the ungrouped data. Let me give you an example for this. Suppose we want to find the mean of, very simple example I am giving you, mean of 2, 5, 12, 17, 18 is sum of all these, that is 2 plus 5 plus 12 plus 17 plus 18 divided by number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gives you 2, 5, 7, 12, 7, 19, 19, 7, 26, 36, 44, 54 divided by 5, 0.8. So the mean of this data is 10.8. That is sum divided by number of the observations gives you the mean. Now let me explain you how to find the median of the ungrouped data. What is median? Median is the variate which appears in the middle of the given data, or we can say the middle observation of the given data is the median. Median, that is the middle observation or the middle variate, the middle observation of the given data is the median. Okay, so mean or median, more or less the central value of the given data. And if there are n number of observations, how to find the median? Let me explain you now. So I told you median is the middle observation of the given data, but my very important point is when it is arranged in ascending order or in descending order. Very important point, that one. It is the middle observation of the given statistical data or of the data when arranged in ascending or in descending order. The given observations ought to be arranged in ascending order or in descending order. Then the middle value gives the median. And if n, that is number of observations, is odd, the formula for finding median is n plus 1 by 2 term if there are odd number of observations. Let us take an example 9. Suppose there are 9 observations. 9 plus 1 is 10 by 2 is 5th. 5th term will be the median when the observations or terms or variates are arranged in either in ascending order or in descending order. But it is good for you always arrange the observations in ascending order because in our later classes, in 10th class, you are going to learn about quartiles. There you have to arrange the data in ascending order. That's why now onwards try to arrange the data for finding the median in ascending order. And if n is even, if the number of observations are even, the formula for finding median is half of n by 2 observation or term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay. Let me give you one example for this. For the first one, find the median of the given data 9, 4, 7, 10, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let me arrange the data in ascending order. Data, let me write data in ascending order is smallest is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 7 are there. Here n is equal to 7, that is odd. So median is equal to, already you have learned the formula. If n is odd, the formula for finding the median is n plus 1 by 2th term. So 7 plus 1 by 2th term, that is 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4th term. And in this given data, which is arranged in order, 4th term is the 6. So the median of this data is 6. Now let us do one example for this. So let me do here only. Find the median of let me do this 19, 17, 16. Okay. Extra I have written. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me arrange the data in ascending order. Let me do it 13. First one 4, then 5, 4, 5, 6. Next is 10, then 13, 16, 17, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Here n is 8, that is even. So this formula we have to use. So median is equal to half of n by 2th term. So this is your second example. N by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. Here n is 8. So you will get 8 by 2th term, that is 4th term. And here 8 by 2 plus 1th term, that will be 5th term. Okay. So half of 4th term plus the 5th term gives you the median. Half of 4th term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th is 10, 5th is 13. So half of 23 gives you 11.5. So for this data, median is 11.5. I hope this is clear to you. In the next videos, some more problems you are going to learn. Thank you.